Hello everyone and welcome to this third strategy video on the Ivanovitch Momentum System, or IMS. So, today we're going to tackle the big one, the patterns. Yep, you've got the bullish patterns that appear when the market is trending upwards and bearish patterns when the market is trending down. Now what you see here is the success rate for each pattern. Pretty cool, right? Also, if you hover your mouse over it, you can see how many times this pattern has appeared within the last period you've set in the configuration. By default, it's set to 5,000 candles. For example, this one appeared 54 times, this one 4 times, and this one 15 times. So, what's really interesting here is that you can quickly spot which patterns perform the best. Look at this one, for example. It's got a 100% success rate, and it appeared 7 times. That might tell you that next time you see a bullish harami on your chart, you should just go ahead and take that buy position. No questions asked. But hey, you might also look at others, like this one at 66.8%. Not quite as convincing. You look at it, and maybe you're thinking, not really something I'd go for. But look at this one. It's interesting, so I'll note it down. And next time I see it on this market, I'll know to go ahead and take the trade. Now, this works best on time frames ranging from 1 minute to 30 minutes. No more than that. Otherwise, you might not get enough data, or you might wait too long for something interesting to pop up on the chart. Now, what's cool is that the patterns you see here can also be found in this section with a detailed description, so you can easily recognize which pattern has been identified. So helpful! And remember, you can switch between time frames. Right now, we're on the 15-minute chart. Let's switch to the 5-minute. See? Totally different candles and different patterns with different success rates. Look here, we've got a pattern with nearly 70% success after appearing 56 times. That's a good one. So, next time we see it, it could be a great buy signal. Oh, and here's another one at 71%, but it only appeared 7 times. So, not quite as convincing. It's all about checking different time frames, different markets, and seeing what's relevant. For example, we've got a bullish harami that appeared 42 times with an 80% success rate. That's not nothing. So yeah, next time I see this pattern, I'm definitely taking that buy position. These are things you can note down and use them to apply the strategy in your trading. Now, let's check the euro market, shall we? On the 1-minute chart, we see a 100% success rate, but it only happened 3 times, so not really worth it. Let's look for something else. Okay, in the 5-minute chart, nothing too interesting. Let's switch back to the 15-minute chart. Oh, look at this. A pattern that appeared 114 times with a 71% success rate. That could be worth noting down. And here we go again. Almost 70% success with 45 occurrences. So, I'm going to note that one too. Next time I see that pattern on the chart, I'm taking the trade. As you can see, it's not that complicated. There's definitely some research involved. You've got to note which patterns work, and then you can open buy or sell positions accordingly. It's all about recognizing those patterns when they show up on your chart. I hope this was all clear. Feel free to leave feedback if you'd like more details, and I'll see you in the next video.